In my previous video, I used this sentence as an example. She gathered up the washing and made her way down to the laundry. Now, what exactly does the word down convey in this sentence? What does it mean? Always remember, you can use down to suggest that a place is at some distance from you. So from this sentence we can understand that the laundry is not near her current location. Let's have a look at a few more sentences. I'll meet you down at the community center after work. He has an office down by the lake. I'm going down to the shop to buy a few things. Okay, now let's have a look at the second usage. Let me give you a few sentences. I think you will understand the usage on your own. Could you repeat the phone number, please? I want to write it down so I won't forget. No one will believe you if you don't have it down in writing or on paper. In the court of law, you have to produce documents as proof. The police took down the names of the suspects. As you might have guessed, here, down means in writing or on paper. Pretty interesting, right? Okay, I hope you got to learn something new. Please click the like button before you leave. It will help me grow this channel. Until next time, this is RB signing off.